to show you the basics of crochet, and I'm going to explain how to do each stitch using American terminology and UK terminology. So the very basic thing to do with every project is you have to make a slip knot. So to be able to do this, you wrap the wool around your fingers and cross it over like that. And then you take this piece and pull it through. And that will give you a slip knot. And to tighten your slip knot, you just pull the thread or the wool. Okay. Now, to do a chain, you put the wool around your little finger like this, and you hold the wool here for tension. And I always hold just here underneath the knot. So you wrap your wool around your hook and pull it through. Wrap your wool around your hook and pull it through. Wrap your wool around your hook and pull it through. And there's 3 chain. And I'm just going to do 10 chain. 7 and 10. Now, the very first stitch I'm going to show you is single crochet. And that's the US term, and the UK term is double crochet for the same stitch. So what you do is you insert your hook in through the chain, pull your wool around and pull it through. You will have two wool on your hook. Wrap your wool around your hook again and pull it through both chain. And that is a single crochet US, double crochet UK. Again, put your hook in through your stitch, wrap your wool around your hook, pull it up, wrap your wool around your hook and pull it through the 2 stitches. And now you've done 2 single crochet US and 2 double crochet UK. So from now on, I'm just going to continue it in US terms because that's what I learned in. So one more time, insert your hook in through your chain, wrap your wool around your hook and pull it up, wrap your wool around your hook and pull it through both. And that's how you do single crochet. So I'm just going to finish this row of single crochet. Now, for the next row, I'm going to show you how to do double crochet in the US terms, which is called a treble or triple crochet in the UK terms. So for what I do is, for the start of every line, I chain 1. And what this does by chaining 1 is it keeps your sides straight. Otherwise, it's going to just go in a diagonal shape. So at the end of every row, depending on what pattern you're using, you'll always chain at least 1 and you turn your work. So to do a double crochet, wrap the wool around your hook, insert it into your stitch, wrap it around your hook again and pull it through. You now have 3 chains on your hook. Through 2 of the chains, leaving 2 chain, wrap your wool around your hook and pull it through the remaining 2 chain. And that is a US double crochet, UK treble or triple crochet. For the next stitch, wrap your wool around your hook, insert it into the stitch, wrap your wool around your hook and pull it through, leaving 3 chain on your hook, wrap your wool around your hook again, pull it through 2 of the chain, and wrap your wool around your hook and pull it through the remaining 2 chain. And that's what a double crochet looks like. So wrap it round, insert it, wrap it round for the 2nd time, wrap it round for the 3rd time, wrap it round for the 4th time, and double crochet. As a rule, if you are doing double crochet in a pattern, when you come to the end of the line and you're turning your work, you will do 2 chain to keep your sides even. A lot of patterns will actually tell you that those 2 chain count as your first stitch. So instead of doing your first stitch, the chain 2 at the end of the previous row will be your first stitch of your next row. So I've come to the end of this row. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do a half double crochet. So a half double crochet is known as a half treble crochet in the UK. Okay, so turn your work. I'm going to chain 2 this time. And I'm not going to use this as my first stitch. Okay, so into this first stitch to do a half double crochet, wrap your wool around your hook, insert it into your stitch, wrap your wool around your hook again, wrap your wool around your hook, you should have 3 on your hook, and pull through all 3. And that is a half double. Wrap your wool around your hook, put it through your next stitch, wrap your wool around your hook again and pull it through. You'll now have 3 chain on your hook, wrap your wool around again and pull it through all 3, like so. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so one more time for the half double US, half triple UK. Wrap your wool around your hook, insert it into the stitch, wrap your wool around your hook again and pull it up. You'll have 3 chain on your hook, wrap your wool around your hook and pull it through all 3 chain. And so just to continue to the end of that row. And the half double is actually in size between a single crochet and a double crochet. So it's slightly longer than a single crochet and slightly shorter than a double crochet. Okay, now I come to the end of that row. Now, the final stitch I'm going to show you is a treble crochet. Or a double treble. Okay. So for this one, I'm going to chain 3. And again, some patterns tell you that those chain 3 counts as a stitch. I'm not counting it as a stitch in this case. So to do a triple crochet US terms, or a double triple crochet UK terms, you wrap the wool around your hook twice, like so. You're going to insert your hook into the stitch. You're going to pull your wool around and pull your stitch up. You will now have 4 loops on your hook. Wrap it round, pull it through 2 loops, leaving 3. Wrap it round, pull through 2 loops, leaving 2, and wrap your wool around and pull it through the last 2 loops. And that is what a triple crochet looks like. Again, wrap your wool around your hook twice. Okay. Insert your hook into the stitch. Wrap your wool around your hook and pull it through. You will now have 4 chains on your hook. Wrap it round again, pull it through 2 stitches. Wrap it round again, pull it through another 2 stitches. And wrap it round again and pull it through the remaining 2 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. So wrap it around twice, insert, pull it through, leaving 4 on your hook, through 2, through 2, and through 2. And obviously the triple crochet is much longer and has got much bigger gaps. Okay, I've come to my last stitch, my last triple crochet. So again, wrap the wool around your hook twice, insert it into your stitch, wrap it round. You'll have 4 wool chains on your hook. Wrap it round, pull it through 2, wrap it round, pull it through 2, and wrap around and pull it through the remaining 2. And that is a row of triple crochet, or double triple UK terms. So I'm finally finished, and I'm actually just going to end this. So how I finish off when I'm finishing off a row is I chain 1 like that, and I cut my wool. And what I do is I pull that wool through, and when I pull that piece of wool, it actually anchors that really quite tightly. Okay, and then what you can do is you can weave your wool in and out of your stitches. So it just means your project won't come apart. Okay, and you can do it, weave it right down. So that is your end product. So basically we did a chain, we did single crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, triple crochet. Okay, and in UK terms, a chain, double crochet, triple crochet, half triple crochet, double triple crochet.